Where is Sarah? So I wait for you when the spaghetti are done. By the way, it's not my favorite pasta, the spaghetti, as an Italian. Oh, it's so bad. This chip sauce is really bad. Open the yogurt. So because basically after the tape, which helps the skin to be more elastic, the yogurt helps to hydrate it and also to moisturize. And in this moment, we all need that because we wash our hands constantly. So try to put also over the eyes, but not inside the eyes. How does it feel?
Wonderful.
Self-care is not just about being beautiful. It's all outside. Self-care is also about being beautiful inside. I would love to be in a garden now. Can you smell the yogurt? Pasteurisiert Kuhmilch. Kondensierte, entrante Kuhmilch. Beautiful. Let's thank each other to be so nice to each other. Now we just open our hands and we put everything in our eyes because this thankfulness has to go really into our eyes. So whenever we see something new, we're going to be so thankful. Okay, so now let's try to open. Oh my God, I cannot open them. Who opened the eyes now?
I cannot. It doesn't
Me
work.
neither. We have to clean our teeth to make it more white. Spaghetti
Nice spaghetti.
and cola. So now we have to do some sport which is called reverse sport. Trops. We are doing some trops. The goal of making sport is to get fit and lose weight. The goal of trops is the opposite. So you make some movement, but the goal is to gain weight. So you go in the position of some pumps. When you go down, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. We rest a bit. Hydrate yourself. And again, 1, 2, 3. You feel better?
I'm really fit already.
Amazing, huh? The power of spaghetti. On top, go down, go close, and the moment you go close, you go down to stretch the neck. And in front, and up, and down, and close, stretch the neck, up, down, close, stretch the neck, front and down. The next step, we have to do side plank. And with the right hand, you grab the spaghetti and you have to lift it. 1. Perfect. Done. Other side. Go. Side plank. Grab spaghetti and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You are in a yoga position like this, like in a prayer position. You go close, but you don't eat the spaghetti. You have to be strong. Good. Now, we gained 500 grams already. So we are pretty good. Power position. Close to the spaghetti. 1. 2. 3. It's good for your body and your soul. Eat right. Drinking. And go all the way back. Try to holding it always like in the middle, not down, not up, just like this. And go up. Good. The buttocks. Dog position. When you go up, you stay with the right hand, you grab the spaghetti and you eat it. Let's rest a bit the arms. And the hands, I love the hands. You have to wash your hands. We have to relax the muscles. We're doing with this very simple movement of, imagine you have some clay and you're working on clay. Huh? So go with your hands into the spaghetti and go. And massage, just move. The moment you do it, feel every one of your fingers. Is it still a bit warm?
A little bit.
You can apply it slowly into your arm. You put it on top of the yogurt, very gently. Think about something nice. Think like that we are going to see each other soon. We are going to have fun together. Don't forget to hydrate, always. Put a bit of water into the spaghetti bowl, cola. You mix it, you will see that actually the fizzing, all the little bubbles, gonna be very nice on your fingertip. You see now the spaghetti are very soft, like us now. Now you can take the yogurt, what's left, and put it also in the spaghetti bowl. Can you see all this nice spaghetti on your arms and face? So now put your hands in the spaghetti bowl after the yogurt, that you put the yogurt in, and you will feel another feeling. It's at the beginning, it's cold, this is fresh. Then the liquidity of the cola is almost gone, at least in my case, and the yogurt is taking over. You just go, and again, all your fears, all your stress.
It's super creamy and smooth.
Yeah. Now let's try to put this on our face. So take it and your face. This helps to get the yogurt into the skin, but it's adding a bit of moisturizing.
Wow, the cola feels so good in the face.
Mwah! Embrace it. Are you open your eyes?
No, I can't.
Me, I cannot. Now, let's do another pump. Let's put all the spaghetti that you have outside inside the bowl again. Mix it better. This time, please don't eat it. Just put the face into the bowl, because the taste is so good, you can be addicted, and then there is no cure for that. 1, go. My body is more strong. and my soul as well. Think about everything that you hate now. It's disappearing. This is everything you hate. You have it in your hands, going away from you. It's going away from you. All the hate, all the frustration, everything is into the salad bowl. The salad bowl is now extremely toxic. It's full of your hate, fears, and frustration. Oh, Clara, so much hate in you. Hydrate. Now we have to do the last exercise, which is very important. Lay down. Sarah, you can come up. I'm exhausted. I guess you are too. This self-care is very important, so I would suggest you to do it once in a while, whenever you feel stressed. Don't forget the beginning when the spaghetti has to be extremely perfectly cooked, and then the rest you just do what we did. Thank you for being with me. Ciao.